Alright, we are at the new Buffalo store in Williamsville, New York. And a Montgomery elevator. I'm probably gonna get a copyright claim, honestly, because of the speaker right there. It's like just opened recently. Here it is. This used to be a Hens and Kelly department store, originally. This is a Montgomery elevator from the 90s. Pretty nice cab. This honestly reminds me of a Kohl's elevator. Like the elevator at my old Kohl's before they modded it. The indicator's not actually flickering, that's just my camera. Montgomery? Here we are at 1. Alright, close the door so we can listen to the motor. Here we go. Very nice. There it goes. And that'll be it.